Good morning, April 8th. In our warmest segment, Light of the Heart, we open the door to a world that is always near, yet often unnoticed amidst our daily chores. Our meeting today is a journey to the source of our boundless creative energy. Our message of the day: may you always see something special in the simple. Today's message sounds like a gentle guidance where our imagination is limitless and brings magical discoveries every day. True strength is not in waiting for big events, but in feeling every moment with meaning. The reflection of the sun in a cup of tea, the rustle of the wind, a whimsical pattern on tree bark, it is from such small things that the canvas of our happy life is woven. Imagination is like fuel. It is the first step toward any action. If you can imagine it, you can manifest it. Have you noticed how with age we lose that childhood superpower, the ability to be amazed? We get used to the fact that the sky is blue, the grass is green, and morning coffee is just brain fuel. Our world seems to shrink to the size of a phone screen or a desk. But to Today, I want to remind us all, magic doesn't hide behind horizons. It lives in the details we've stopped paying attention to. Imagination is not just fantasy. It is our ability to see more. It is that inner spotlight that can turn a simple sunbeam on the wall into a dance of light, and the sound of rain outside into a smoothing melody of the universe. Today, I offer you a small practice of returning your wings. Right now, wherever you are, look around. Try to see something special in what surrounds you. Look at the steam rising above your tea. How it intricately changes shape, as if painting invisible pictures. Look out the window. Find a tree or a cloud and imagine what they look like. Let your imagination be boundless. Feel the touch of clothing on your skin, the scent of fresh air. Realize that each moment is a unique gift. When we allow ourselves to be amazed by simplicity, our inner resource begins to restore itself. Psychological safety is born where we feel a connection with the beauty of the world. This is the warm impulse that gives us the strength to act. I believe that today you will make your own magical discovery. Don't limit yourself with logic. Let imagination paint your day in bright colors. You are ready. You have enough light, not just to live through this day, but to create it as something special. Look at your usual tasks from a different angle. Allow yourself to be an explorer of your own life. You can do anything because your inner strength is nourished by this boundless beauty all around. Just look with your heart and you will see a miracle. Your light of the heart by Attunement Embrace.